If you need to embed Lucidchart in Confluence, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple setup process and show you the fastest way to get your diagrams inside Confluence pages. This is a great way to keep your documentation visual, organized, and easy for your team to understand. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Let's jump in. First, it's important to know that if the Lucid app has not already been installed in your Confluence workspace, only an administrator can complete that first step. So if you're not an admin, you may need to ask your Confluence admin to handle this part for you. To begin, the admin should log in to Confluence with an administrator account. Once they're signed in, they need to go to Apps, then choose Explore More Apps. This will open the Atlassian marketplace where you can search for the Lucidchart app. In the search bar, type Lucidchart, then find the option for Embed Lucidchart and Lucid Spark for Confluence. After that, click Get App. Next, Confluence will show a review screen. Click Review, then select Get It Now to continue. At this point, you'll need to grant access so your organization's Lucid account can connect properly with Confluence. This permission is required for the integration to work, so make sure you approve it carefully. After you confirm everything, the installation may take a little while, so give it some time to finish. Now that the Lucid integration is set up, you can start embedding your diagram in Confluence. The easiest method is to copy and paste the Lucidchart link directly into the page. To do that, open your diagram in Lucidchart and click the Share button in the top right corner. Then copy the document URL. After that, go back to your Confluence page and click inside the editor where you want the diagram to appear. Simply paste the link into the page. In many cases, Confluence will automatically turn that link into an embedded, interactive Lucid document. That means your team can view the diagram right inside the page without needing to open a separate file. This is the recommended method because it's quick, easy, and keeps your content connected. If your setup is working correctly, the embedded diagram should display on the page and stay interactive for viewers who have access. That makes it much easier to collaborate, review processes, and keep project documentation up to date. If the embed does not appear right away, double check that the app was installed correctly and that your Lucid account has the proper permissions connected to Confluence. Also, make sure you copied the correct Lucidchart document link and pasted it into the Confluence editor, not into a different field or comment box. And that's it. You've now learned how to embed Lucidchart in Confluence using the official integration and a simple copy and paste workflow. If this video helped you out, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.